Okay.
He's under the car. Okay.
It's probably one of the smarter ones out here.
Alright. We're about 30 seconds out. 30 seconds out from the launch of Stevie's world record attempt. 10th scale Saturn V. This rocket weighs 1,600 pounds. It's being launched on a combination of 8 N motors and 1 central P motor. Expected altitude is between 3 and 4,000 feet. And if Steve is ready, I am ready, Bob's ready, then we're going in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition!
Watch for it. It's coming down. Alright, hands up! Parking area! If this rocket comes anywhere near you, stand out of the way!
It looks like an airplane, doesn't
We're at 2,000 feet. We're at 2,000 feet coming down. 2,000 feet. When this rocket gets on the ground, do not touch it.
That's why they told you to be careful. That's why they told you to watch the sky.
1,500 feet. We're 1,000 feet. All righty.